Hey guys, Chelsea here from Bakehouse 46. So something we're super excited about is our new DIY cupcake decorating and our donut decorating kits. So in each kit you get either 2 plain vanilla donuts or 2 cupcakes, 1 vanilla, 1 funfetti. Each kit comes with 2 things of frosting, 2 piping bags, and a bag of sprinkles. So to get started, take 1 piping bag and you will trim off the tip. You can go ahead and grab the piping bag right in the middle and fold this over your hand. That will leave an opening that you can put the icing into. So you'll go ahead and take an everyday kitchen spoon and place the icing into the bag. Roll the bag back up. Go ahead and press the icing down. You can remove a cupcake from the container. And when you start piping, you can almost twist it to make some pressure. And you'll start in the middle of the cupcake. And what you're gonna do is at a 90-degree angle, start in the middle, and then just kind of build up from there. And there you go. Add your sprinkles. And there you have it, a fun little project for you and the kids during these times. Thank you so much and hope to see you soon.